Good morning, guys. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm awake because I'm working, and so you're looking at my execution blotter. So, this is where we incurred the huge losses last week, and these losses were especially the gold was because I took a huge position size, even though I knew it would come back up. I had to close it. And this AUD JPY, I wasn't prepared. I don't know what I did. And if you look at another loss, this is from gold again. So last week it was going down, and I don't know why I did it. So these were my losses, and that's my learning. And when it started coming back up, I took some profit, not because I needed it, but I just want to start the next week in a positive way. And I was mentally down as well. I wasn't doing my best decisions because I was quite emotional last week. And these are my positive things just to feel good this week. And like, I am someone like Garfield who hates Monday, but ever since I started trading, I really wait for Monday morning, like 8 a.m. Australian time, when the stock market would open. So I'm just waiting for it. It's so crazy how this trading changed my personality, because all my life I hated Monday, and now I just wait for it. I can't get through the weekend to get to my Australian stock market open time. And anyway, I did some preparation. I'm not a professional trader, so the way I decide and way I look at the market is quite random. So this is a 4 hourly chart. I basically look at like a week's chart, not because I needed it, but just to know that we are in an upward trend. So we see a W pattern. Whenever there is a W pattern, price tends to go up. So that's a good thing. So next I'll look at daily, just to know that yeah, I'm in an upward trend. And then I look at the 4th hourly. That's where I started marking the zones. um, Basically, I try to create a zone where it has multiple touches, so I don't go exactly on the point. I just give a rough idea, because I don't try to make the max profit. I try to take profit somewhere in between. So I just mark the area to know where the price would have difficulty going up. It could be a support or a resistance zone. So I mark this point to be aware. Then I mark from here where it is like, fluctuating like this. I marked a zone. Then I marked another zone where it could fluctuate. And I did different markings like that at 4th hourly. And then I have a look at my 15 or 30 minutes chart. That's what I kind of use to trade. So we basically see there's a W pattern. Whenever there's a W pattern, it kind of tends to go up. And look at the pattern, what's been happening. It's been forming a triangle. So I just drew myself a triangle, and I marked the zones. So what I will do on Monday morning, I will wait to see what the market is trying to do. Is it gonna go up or is gonna come back down? I don't know. And it's been touching this particular range with different W's forming. If it goes down, I'll buy at that lowest price, and I try to sell at this spot, and then see if it really goes up or it's gonna fall down. So last week when this fell down, I was actually watching it. Every time I watch it, it just makes me anxious. So basically, I just need to understand what's happening, and I need to do a setup. And So this time, according to me, when it comes back down, it may not come back down to this range. It's kind of forming a cone, so it may somewhere like that. So yeah, that's my GBP view. And then GBP, JPY. JPY is like it gets more value when the other currencies like GBP, USD is falling down. JPY is more a stable currency. So that's the relation. You need to understand the correlation between the currencies that you're trading. Next week, I mainly plan to do gold and GBP. That's what I prepared. And I also had a look at platinum because I accidentally took a trade. I'll show you. So this is GBP JPY relation that's going on at the moment. And then I'll show you the gold. So gold was like if you look at like a daily chart or a weekly chart, it was on an upward trend. Um, like earlier, like when I started trading initially, I used to look at a short period charts and take a trade, and the longer period charts was actually against me, and then I used to incur loss. Now I look at multiple time frame, and this is my fourth hourly chart. It was actually going in a channel, and I saw this triple top forming, and I didn't expect it to. I knew somewhere it's gonna go down, but I took a trade and it just went down on me. And then I had to, the broker sent a warning, I had to close it because when it was coming down, 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 I kept hoping it'll go back up because according to me, the channel is over there. But it really went down and then it came back up. I know it will come back up, but anyway, guys, that's another story to tell. So when you see triple top forming like this, it's better to, you know, let see what the market does. It actually, I was expecting it's gonna form another top, but it didn't. It just went down, and this I made the same mistake again. It went down. Now it's coming back up, and what I've been seeing from past 2 weeks, 2620 is being a spot where it's constantly touching. It has not broken past that. So if it broke past that, it's very good time to buy because you can kind of see like a W pattern, and I'm expecting it to go and reach few pips. Maybe it might reach 2680, I don't know. But we need to see next week what the market is going to do. Is it going to go down or is it going to go up? So wait for it, guys. And that's my analysis. Before you watch anybody's analysis, try to analyze the market on your own. And when you do that, you develop the skill and the muscle to make decision on your own. You wouldn't depend on any other YouTuber or anybody to make your decision, and you will not blame anyone else either. You know, trading, you can make money and lose money, and when people share the idea, it's their idea. It could be totally bullshit or it could be something valuable. And gold is also like JPY. It's something people seek safety in. So especially when markets are going down, US markets in particular, if it is going down, when the currency is falling, people think gold is more stable and they start investing in gold, and that's when the prices go up. In the recent time, we just saw that JPY market crashing, US market crashing. There were rumors about it, people losing jobs in US. All that made like a huge spike for us. And trading in gold is so volatile. Like I literally saw it fall in front of me, and I had taken a trade, and it just went against me. And you can, even though it looks like a one tiny candlestick here, you're losing like thousands of dollars. So trading gold is good. You can make money and you can lose money too. And I did lose it, so it's good to mention. So I'm gonna wait next week, see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna pass 2620, I'm gonna take a trade. If it's going down, we'll see. I've never done short selling, so I might try that. I don't know if I should try that. Maybe I would try it in my FTMO demo account. I wouldn't do it here. This is my hard-earned money. And I was analyzing platinum as well. Platinum was not something I trade, but I was watching this YouTuber Tori. She's quite popular at the moment, and she trades in platinum and crude oil. So I took a trade. Like, look at this, guys. There was a triple top. Okay, and why I was like an idiot, took a trade here. I, for some reason, believed it would go up. Usually, when there is a triple top or a head and shoulder, it normally tends to go down. And I was an idiot to place a trade here, and it went all the way down, and it's kind of coming up. And if you see my position, that's one of them. Like me, took a thing. It was going like nearly 200, 300 negative, and that's eventually come back to 13. It'll go positive, and it's gonna go positive. I'm gonna close this position. And this Euro USD has been there with me for weeks, and that was also another stupid trade I took without analyzing properly. So that's my analysis. These two are my trade opportunity for this week: GBP, JPY, and gold. And platinum, I'm just waiting for it to come back up so that I can actually, get out of that position. And if you analyze platinum, it's kind of going in a channel, and there is kind of, oh, that's gold, sorry. Look at me. Okay, there was a triple top forming, and then it went all the way down, and I'm expecting it to go slightly up. So I've put my take profit over here, and I'm here. If someone would have bought here and they are making a profit here, they would definitely make good money, but mine is like a very short position, so it'll be a couple of dollars. Yeah, guys, that's the plan for next week. I hope you'll have a lovely, lovely week, and I hope you'll be a blessing to everyone and be a good human. That's it, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.